Let's start module number 5, vulnerability analysis. This lab introduces vulnerability analysis where you search and assess system for weakness such as missing patches, weak configuration, and exposed service. It uses database scoring system and tools like OpenVAS to identify and evaluate security flaws before attackers can exploit them. Let's start with lab number 1, perform vulnerability research with vulnerability scoring system and databases. Now this lab demonstrates how to use common weakness enumeration CWE to research system and software vulnerabilities such as SMB weakness. It shows how security professionals leverage vulnerability databases and scoring system to identify flaws for mitigation or exploitation. So to start the lab, let's go to our Windows 11 machine and enter the password. All right, so I've entered the password. Now in step 2, we are going to go ahead and launch the MITRE website in Firefox. All right, so I've opened up my browser and I've gone to the website. So in step 3, we are going to search for SMB under search CWE. So let's type SMB and then press the enter key. All right, the search results appears here. Okay, here you will see the underlying vulnerabilities in the SMB service. We could go ahead and look at any of the search results so that we will be able to identify what that vulnerability is. So I scroll down and I'm able to see all the vulnerabilities that are related to SMB. So you can click on any link to identify more information. So in the lab, they want us to click on a CWE284, which is the first one, improper access control. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So here you will look at what this vulnerability is. They will give you the description. All right, now how do you mitigate those things? So you will have a lot of information. Now there are other vulnerabilities that you could look at. So if you go back to the previous tab, so there are a lot of other vulnerabilities that's related to SMB. You can go ahead and click on them. All right, in step number 7, it prompts us to click on the CWE list version. I wasn't able to find it. So I went to the URL cwe.mitre.org/data/index.html. Now they want us to look at the top 25 CWE of 2023, but the page has 2024. Now it's almost the same. You could just go ahead and click on it. It's going to give you the top 25. You could sit and analyze it. All right, now this is how attackers will try to find vulnerabilities once they know what kind of services you are running. That brings us an end to lab number 1, perform vulnerability research with vulnerability scoring, systems, and databases. Let's go ahead and answer the question. Question number 1, search the CWE list and find the name of the vulnerability with the CWE ID 591. Now for that, we are going to go ahead and search for it. So I searched for 591 and I was able to get the results here. So sensitive data storage in improperly locked memory. Let me type that. All right, so that is the right answer. Let's go ahead and read question number 2. Search the CWE list and find the top weakness in the list, weakness in 2023 CWE. So we had the list for 2024. So they want us to find it for 2023. All right, I did find the 2023 CWE top 25 most dangerous software weakness. I basically had to go ahead and Google and then find this, okay? And the top one was out of bounds right, and that's the right answer. So that's an end of this lab. Thank you.